Welcome to DWK Life Sciences. Today we are introducing our barcoding and labeling solutions. They are designed to seamlessly integrate into your digital workflow. Our bottles feature either barcodes, 2D DataMatrix or QR codes. These markings are durable and tamper-proof without affecting the glass integrity. Each bottle contains a unique machine-readable ID, enabling full traceability across use, cleaning and reuse. This reduces manual labeling efforts and supports validated workflows. Integration is simple. Scan-based identification plugs directly into your systems. Vials can benefit of these solutions as well. In automated labs, vials must do more than hold samples. They must work flawlessly with robotic and high-throughput systems. WHEATON vials are designed with automation in mind. Precise dimensions, compatible caps, and durable markings that remain readable throughout processing and handling. With DURAN bottles enabling digital traceability and WHEATON vials powering automation-ready workflows, DWK Life Sciences helps labs transition into the future. For questions about our barcoding and labeling solutions, please contact our DWK Life Sciences team.